So, what do you think about Spirit Week?
It's awesome, dude. T-Bird won
How do you?
all day.
Oh. Do you think we're gonna win? Do you think we're gonna win today?
Already won.
You already won.
Already won.
How do you know that? How do you know that?
Feel it.
Feel it.
Me too.
Feel it. Do you think this was the best Spirit Week?
Of course.
Why? Why?
We always had
Senior.
Seniors, you know what I'm saying?
Seniors. That's a Z. I'm sorry.
Who cares? Seniors.
Oh.
What else do you want to know?
I don't know. How do you like senior year so far?
I like senior year? It's
Yeah.
been pretty good, you know. I
You
like it.
it?
I like it.
Do you think we've gotten closer, like the class?
Yeah, of course. I gotta meet a lot of new people, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Because I want to stop it.
How do you like senior year so far?
I like it a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
That's it? That's all I gotta say?
It's brought us together, all of us.
Okay. So you're happy?
I
Yeah.
met people that
Who'd you meet?
people.
Who'd you meet?
I
Good
met
people.
you.
Uh-huh.
I met
Who's me? Who's you? Who's you? Who's you?
Who's you?
Me?
Aaron.
Uh-huh. Who else did you meet?
Kiefer.
Okay. And look at this one right here. Kelly! Nice cheering today.
Thank you.
I'll tag you on Facebook.
Okay.
Okay, cut it.
Cut
There's
it.
people walking
Hey Bob, what's
out.
up? What's up? Late.